Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a stop loss on Robinhood. A stop loss is an essential tool for managing risk and protecting your investments. It automatically sells a stock when it falls to a certain price, limiting your potential losses. To start, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you want to add a stop loss to. Tap on the stock to go to its details page. Look for the trade button and tap on it. This will open the order screen where you can place a new order or modify an existing one. To add a stop loss, tap on the order type and select stop loss. You will be prompted to set a stop price, which is the price at which you want the stock to be sold. Set a stop price that is below the current market price if you are in a long position, or above the current market price if you are in a short position. For example, if you own 100 shares of a stock currently trading at $50, you could set a stop loss at $45. If the stock price falls to $45, the stop loss will be triggered and your shares will be sold at the next available price. It is essential to note that stop losses are not guarantees, and there is a risk that the stock price may gap below your stop loss price, resulting in a worse sale price. However, stop losses can be an effective way to manage risk and limit potential losses. Best practices for using stop losses include setting a stop price that is reasonable and takes into account the stock's volatility, regularly reviewing and adjusting your stop losses as market conditions change, and using stop losses in conjunction with other risk management strategies. In conclusion, adding a stop loss on Robinhood is a straightforward process that can help you manage risk and protect your investments. By following these steps and using stop losses effectively, you can help limit your potential losses and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always use stop losses in conjunction with a well-thought-out investment strategy and to regularly review and adjust your stop losses as market conditions change.